Welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be doing a challenge where we only eat yellow food only. We're gonna eat yellow food and see we're in yellow colors. Look, show them. In yellow here. Yeah, so today we'll be eating only yellow food only for 24 hours. Do the yellow challenge?
Yeah.
Do you like the color yellow?
Yeah.
So today we'll be
my hair.
Yes.
Mommy, England.
Yeah, so today we'll be doing the yellow challenge for 24.
Yeah, it's only yellow.
Yes, for 24
it's
hours. Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe,
It's
like, share, leave a comment
yellow.
down below. First, we're gonna fry some breadfruit.
Yeah.
And what color is the breadfruit?
Yellow.
Yes, we're gonna fry some breadfruit, Jamaican breadfruit.
Yeah.
And we're gonna fry some eggs. You know when you break the eggs and you mix them together, it turn yellow.
Turn yellow.
Yeah, so we're gonna fry eggs and breadfruit for breakfast. So now we're gonna fry breadfruit.
Mommy, we're cooking?
Yes.
Oh, we're cooking now. Huh? What different? Okay. Mommy, do it!
So what we're having yellow is some
yellow.
fried breadfruit and eggs. And some orange juice.
Yeah. Oh.
Some orange juice, but it's yellow.
Orange juice in the yellow.
So we're gonna say a prayer now.
Yes.
So press the hands like this. Thank you, Jesus, for the food.
Take it to the in the food.
Bless you, Lord. Amen.
Happy parties. Well, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Breadfruit tastes so yummy.
It's yummy.
It is yours?
Yeah. Oh no. That's it's eggy. Oh no, it's yellow.
Shh, no talking. No talking, Mama.
Okay.
Tastes good?
Yes, tastes good.
What it tastes like?
Yellow.
Tastes like yellow?
Yeah, yellow.
Okay.
Circle. Circle.
Finish eating breakfast. It's time for lunch. What time it is? Tell them. It's time for lunch. What time it is? It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. What time it is? It's time for lunch. We're gonna eat our lunch now, only in yellow colors. We're gonna eat yellow food for 24 hours. Having for lunch is some Lay's, which is yellow, some goldfish, which is yellow, and patties. And we have some Outshine pineapple yellow popsicle.
Yellow popsicle and yellow popsicle.
Yeah, so this is what we're having for lunch.
Yeah, we're having yeah.
It's hot?
No. No.
It's tasty?
Yes. Stop eating chips.
Well, you can eat of your chips if you want. Eat your chips. Show them your chips. What color is your chips? Yellow.
Yellow. Chips.
It's hard, so our popsicle gets soft, so we're eating it like this.
That's okay.
Tasty?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
And it's yellow.
It's yellow.
Oh, yeah, it's pineapple.
It's pineapple. Oh, does it come pineapple? Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's yours. That's not mine. That's okay. Make my food.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
What a mess.
Like the mess?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me clean up.
You do what?
We can clean up first.
I like it.
So, when you like it.
Outshine.
A sun.
Outshine popsicle, they're the best.
That's the best.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna eat my patty. Okay.
I'm gonna put it down. How much?
What? What you doing?
It's my mistake.
That's all right.
My name, Maya.
If you're enjoying this video, guys, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share a video.
Yeah.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell, please.
Okay, please,
Tell them more, yeah?
please.
It's finished.
And
We're gonna make our yellow dinner now. We're gonna make something to eat for dinner. Right, Maya?
Yes.
Oh, Maya not looking. Yeah, we're gonna make something for dinner, right, Mama?
Yes.
Yum, yum. So we
Yum,
had
yum.
breakfast, and we had lunch, and now we're gonna eat our dinner. Now we're gonna eat our dinner, right?
Yes.
It's corn
Corn.
and some mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Yes, we're having this for dinner.
Yeah, dinner.
And it's what color? Yellow.
Yellow.
And we're doing the yellow challenge.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yes. Mommy, eat yours.
Eat now.
Yeah. Okay. Mommy, not eat it with your finger. No, I got hit. You spoon there, Mommy.
Eat it with a spoon.
Yes. Eat it with spoon. It's not dropping.
Okay, I won't. Eat your mac and cheese now.
Okay.
You like it?
Good.
You eat it?
Yes, don't eat mine. It's mine.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our video. Thanks for watching again, guys. Bye. Give them a kiss.